Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine? Okay, good. Yesterday we were talking about a poem. The name of our poem was Six Honest Serving Men. What was the name of our poem? Six Honest Serving Men. Now, what is six people or what the six men are doing? The six men are helping Rudyard Kipling. Who is poet of the poem? The poet of the poem is Rudyard Kipling. What is his name? Rudyard Kipling. Now what this Rudyard Kipling is doing? Rudyard Kipling is saying that there is a man and he has six serving men. How many six men are helping him? There are six serving men. What these men do? The names of those men are what yesterday I told you in yesterday's period I told you that what the six men are doing. Six men are helping him. What are names of those six men? What, why, when, correct? What, second one is why, third one is when, next one is fourth one is who, fifth one is whom, sixth one is whom is not there. What, why, when, who, where is there and how. Where and how. Now these six questions are helping him. Here it is told that I keep six honest serving men. They taught me all I knew. Whatever I was not knowing or whatever I knew, that was taught by whom? Or whatever I started learning, that is taught by whom? That is taught by these six serving men. And their names are what, why, when, who, where and how. So what the six serving men are doing? These six serving men are helping me. Then what I do when they help me or when I have to take their help, what I do? I send them over land and sea. I send them east to west or east and west. But after they have worked for me, when they have worked for me, what I do? I give them all rest. Correct or not? These people then which is that what, where, why, when, who, where, how. When these six people are helping me and when I send them over the sea, when I send them over the land, when I send them to the east direction, when I send them to the west direction, when they have done work for me, what I do? I don't tell them to do work continuous. I tell them to take some rest. Now this what, why they are really men? Are they real men? No, they are not real men. They are imaginary thing which we keep in our mind. Yes or no? Most probably it is in our head. Correct or not? What to do, why to do, how to do, where to do, when to do. These all questions keeps on running or keeps on moving or keeps on going on or keeps on going on in your brain, and what you do, you think over it for a long time, and then when you feel that no, I'm too tired, I'm tired of all this now, I'm not going to think, that time what you do, you give rest to the 6 minutes. Yes or no? That is what Rudyard Kipling is saying in the poem. Now say third stanza, yesterday we completed 2 stanzas, now third stanza is given over here is, I let them rest from 9 till 5, for I am busy then, as well as breakfast, lunch and tea, for they are hungry men. Now here it is told that when these men are working, what I do? I give them rest to 9 till 5. When my work is over, when they have worked for me, what I do? I give them rest. From what time I give them rest? I let them rest from 9 till 5. For I am busy then. Correct? 9 to 5 I give them rest, and when they are taking rest, what I do? I do my work. Okay? Till then I do my work, and even they are hungry men. Correct or not? They are hungry men. When person thinks a lot or when he keeps on working or keeps on thinking mentally, or when a person has mental stress, naturally what happens? He becomes more hungry. Correct or not? When he becomes more hungry, then what it is told that I give them breakfast, I give them lunch, I give them tea. to whom this 6 serving means. Now, what is the name of a person or what? No. It is an imaginary poem. Okay. What, why, when, who, where, how. Rudyard Kipling is saying that I am giving them rest from 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock. I give them rest, and even when they are hungry, that time I give them breakfast, I give them lunch, and I give them tea. Okay. Next stanza which is given here is, but different flock have different views. Now flock means what? What is the meaning of flock? Flock means people. Flock means what? F-L-O-F-O-N-K. Flock means people. Now different people have different views, correct or not? There are people those who have different views. What they do? They think differently. Everyone is a unique person. Everyone thinks differently, correct or not? So here it is told that, but different flock have different views. I know a person small. She keeps 10 million serving men who get no rest at all. Now there are people who keep on thinking, whole day they keep on thinking, yes or no, how to do this, why to do this, how what to do of this, correct or not, when to do this. Whole day they keep on taking tension. And then what Rudyard Kipling is saying, I don't take tension, I give them rest 9 to 5. But there are different flock means what? There are different people who have different views. And he knows one person. Now that one person is what? There is a girl. What she does? She keeps on thinking whole day. Whole day she will think, or she will have questions of all this. Okay, what to do, why to do, when to do, who will do, then where to do, how to do. These questions keeps on troubling her, and whole day she gives them work. She gives them work means to whom she gives work? She gives work to this 6 serving men. 6 serving men means what? 6 questions. Okay, and then she has 10 million serving men. How many millions? She keeps 10 million serving men. What she has done? This Rudyard Kipling is saying, I have only 6 serving men. Okay, I think only for some time. After that I forget. But there is a girl. She keeps on thinking whole day, and she has how many million serving men? She has 10 million serving men. Correct? For example, then what to do, why to do, when to do, who will do it, where to do, how to do. Then there are some more questions in her mind. Then which will be that? When is it over or what? Yes. Why is over, who is over, what is over, how to do, when to do, whom to tell, correct or not? More what questions will come in our mind? Come on, whom to do, who to do, whom, when, why, what. More WH questions are there or what? When is over, who is over. In this way, there are more WH questions in her mind, and she keeps how many million serving men? She keeps 10 million serving men. Means she keeps on thinking whole day, and she troubles herself. She troubles those. How many million serving men it is told in the stanza? 10 million serving men. She does not give them rest. Rudyard Kipling is saying that I give them rest from morning 9 to 5. Even when they are hungry, that time I give them breakfast, I give them lunch, I give them tea. Okay, but this girl, she does not give them rest. And in last stanza it is told that she sends them abroad on her own affairs from the second she opens her eyes. 1 million house, 2 million wares, and 7 million wives. Now she sent them. There is a word in the stanza. It is written like this. Apostrophe EM. Meaning of EM means what? Them. You can write down in your textbook. Okay. In stanza, in last stanza, EM is given. Apostrophe EM. Apostrophe EM means what? Them. She sends them on her own abroad. Abroad means she sends them out of the country to do her work, and then as soon as she will open her eyes, okay, from the second she opens her eyes, she will start thinking, and she will start telling her serving means there are 10 million serving means just imagine how much she might be thinking, how much she might be troubling them, correct or not? And then She has how many million house? She has 1 million house. She has 2 million wares. She has 7 million wives. In this way, it is told that there are people, there are different flocks who have different views. Their thinking is different. Correct or not? Every person is unique. Everybody's thinking power is different. Correct? There are some people they don't take tension only. Correct or not? They don't have tension. They are relaxed. So their serving means will do more work or what? No. But there are people who early morning as soon as they open their eyes, they will start thinking, I want to do this, I want to do that. Then after 1 hour I am going to do this, after 2 hours I am going to do this, after 3 hours I am going to do this. Means they have lot of people, which people, thinking people, correct or not? What, why, when, why, how, which is also there. I told you, there are many WH questions, which. And in this way, it is sure that there are millions of serving men in who's having millions of serving men. There is a girl, she has millions of serving men. She has 1 million house, she has 2 million wares, she has 7 million wives. And in this way, every person has different thinking. Every person has different thinking. Every person capability is different, and she sends them. Now it is sure that she sends them abroad. What this Rudyard Kipling is doing, he is sending them over the sea, or he is sending them over the land, or he is sending them in the east direction, he is sending them in west direction. And what this girl is doing, this girl is sending them abroad, means out of the country. For what? For her own affairs. Own affairs means what? For her own work. Own affairs means what? Own affairs means her own work. Okay? In this way, I have explained you poem. There are some questions in the poem that we will discuss again. Tomorrow I will revise poem once again. We will recite poem once, and after reciting poem, we are going to study question answers of this poem. Okay? That's all for today, and I think you have understood poem. If you have not understood, anyways I am going to repeat it tomorrow. And that's all for today. Thank you.